what was the Constituent Assembly debate? So what KT Shah wanted, KT Shah, and we have the, after KT Shah we have BR Ambedkar. ये क्या चाहते थे? केटी शाह का चाहना क्या था कि ये यूएसए मॉडल पसंद करते थे और ये वर्ड फेडरल लिखना चाहते थे. He wanted to write the word federal, and he wanted dual federalism in India. Dual federalism in India, like USA model, and USA is a coming together where all the states have come together. BR Ambedkar, he did not want to write federal. ठीक है. Second, he did not want to adopt dual federalism of America. Dual federalism of America. He did want cooperative federalism. He wanted cooperative federalism. That means he favored overlapping of functions. That is a concurrent list. And he wanted center and states to cooperate each other. And what he wanted interlinking institutions. He wanted interlinking institutions. So this was the debate.